Hey everyone, Matt King with the Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you would like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC and leave a like and subscribe while you're there. We really appreciate that. You can see countless videos showing really every kind of foundation repair project that we've been doing over the past few years. But here specifically, we're in Independence, showcasing a project we're starting. What we got, leaning cinder block wall on the side of this house, inside the garage. So essentially all this project is, we're getting our 6x6 and bottle jack supports in place right now. That way everything is, all the floor joists are supported, so we can start removing these cinder blocks. But all this is going to be is resetting all of these cinder blocks, but vertically, and then we're also going to fill each hole in each individual cinder block with high strength concrete mortar that's going to maximize the structural stability and just make it much stronger than it is, because this wall right now, they're just hollow cinder blocks, not very strong. Unfortunately, these older houses, the people that built them did not think ahead for issues arising like this. So we got to get these pulled out and just reset with new concrete mortar in there. We also have a little bit of concrete we're going to be tearing out on the side here. Don't know how well it's coming across in the video, but this little concrete pad here is almost at a 45-degree angle leaning towards the house, helping to push that wall in. So as you can see, the result of the wall pushing in is a lot of the wood here, the siding, coming out of alignment also. Everything's good on the rest of the wall. It's just this one section here. So we're going to relieve the pressure on the exterior by getting this concrete sawed and removed, so that way we don't have anything falling in when we start removing the block. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Again, just search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited before. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us by phone at 1-816-288-4373.